Torres del Paine National Park is a breathtaking wilderness located in the southern region of the Chilean Patagonia, renowned for its awe-inspiring landscapes, rugged mountains, colorful lakes, and pristine nature. Over the next 4 days, I will be hiking the famous W Trek and sharing this adventure with you. Today, we are starting in Puerto Natales, taking a 2-hour bus ride to the entrance of the park where we'll begin our hike to Mirador Las Torres. We had to take a shuttle from Laguna Amarga, which costs 3,000 Chilean pesos. We're here at the visitor center and we're starting our hike to Las Torres, the base. They're just over there behind me. They're covered by clouds now, but the weather here can change quickly. You have about 8 miles to go. Let's get the hike going. If you're watching this video, you've probably heard of Torres del Paine. It is one of the most beautiful areas in the world. But what exactly is the W Trek? Well, the W Trek is the shape that the hike makes, starting from Las Torres, winding up to Mirador Británico, and ending in Glacier Gray. We'll be doing that hike over the next 4 days. And right now, on day 1, we are heading to Las Torres. We are now crossing the windy pass. Luckily for me, it's not as windy, but some of the strongest winds in the world have been recorded here in southern Chilean Patagonia. You can see a lot of day hikers as well as multi-day trekkers here. We've just approached Refugio Chileno. This is where we'll be spending the night. We're gonna unload some of our stuff and continue to Las Torres. But if you're trying to do the W Trek, I recommend this campsite. It is very close to Las Torres. So we've checked into Refugio Chileno. Our campsites are in the forest over there on platforms. We're gonna have a quick lunch before we continue on to Las Torres. When you're hiking to Las Torres, the trail will close right past Refugio Chileno around 4 o'clock. That is to give the hikers enough time to come back and not hike in the darkness and avoid any injuries. But we have plenty of time. It's only 11 o'clock, so plenty of day left, and it's looking very beautiful. We're out of the forest now, and I believe the towers are just behind that mountain. It is getting windy by the minute, but we are so close, about a quarter of a mile left. This is probably the toughest part of the hike, I would say. You have to scramble up these rocks, so the trail is very uneven and it can be slippery. This is incredible. We are just 100 steps away from the Torres. I am so excited. I've been waiting for this moment for the last 4 years when I first set my eyes on this beautiful place. The last part, you guys see that boulder? There's a path that you have to scree around, and there's a lake right on the other side. We made it. Lago Torres. Take a look behind me. The 3 beautiful granite towers. I cannot believe I'm here. I'm so happy to be here, making my bucket list item come true. The 3 towers standing behind me, Torre Sur, the tallest of the 2, 8,200 feet tall. Torre Central and Torre Norte, the shortest of the 2, 7,400 feet. And the turquoise water is just mesmerizing. Just a few minutes ago, this place was filled with people, and now if you look at it, you hang out for a little bit and all the crowds are gone. We have all the day in the world because we're camping at Refugio Chile, which is about an hour walk from here. We're back at the campsite, just checked in the Refugio, and we have a 2-person tent which we'll be sleeping in. You can pay for just a tent and bring your old sleeping bag, or you can get everything paid for and just come with a day pack and just sleep here. Choice is yours. I'll make a separate video talking about the prices of these things. It's been a long day, but tomorrow day 2 of the W trek. See you then.